What's up guys, this is D bringing guys another video. In today's video, I'll be changing the oil on my F90 M5. It's a pretty straightforward process, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, so the things that you need to change your oil on your F90 M5 are as follows. You need 10 liters of 0W30 oil. You need a brand new oil filter with the included gasket and crush washer for your drain plug. You'll need an 86mm oil filter cap socket and number 8 Allen key socket. And you will need a 1/4 driver. You may need an extension or not. I needed to use an extension because whoever put them on before me put them on pretty tightly. And you will also need gloves and somewhere to put the old oil. You will be taking a lot of oil out of the car because if you assume you're putting in 10 liters, that means 10 liters has to come out. That is quite a bit of oil. So without further ado, let's go ahead and show you how to change this oil. Make sure to have your car jacked up and secured on jack stands. I have a jack stand on each side of the car. As well as I'm still going to leave the jacks there. It works a lot easier if you have like a lift or something, but you know, we don't have a lift here. So we're just going to put it on jack stands and jack it up. All right, guys, so once you get under the car, you will see your drain plug and you will see your oil filter housing. They're very easily accessible. So you're just going to sit your oil pan under it. You're going to release the oil from your drain plug. I'll show you which side's Allen key once we get to that point. And then after that, you will remove the oil filter, and I will show you that as well. So let's go ahead and get this job done. Whew. Damn, who the hell put that shit on? I mean, project to start, you can't already be cussing Mario. God dang. All right, now that I broke the nut loose, we can go ahead and unscrew it, because who the hell tightened that thing? Oh, I'm about to be dumb. Can't change oil without wearing gloves, guys. Oil is messy. It's gonna be pretty hot. We're gonna not try to lose the bolt. I loosened it enough, and I lost the bolt. God. Anyways, you're gonna go ahead and let the oil drain out of your car. That is pretty dark, so yeah. We're gonna go ahead and let all that drain out. I'll be back. I'm about to go switch gloves and whatnot. Alright guys, so while the oil is still finished draining, I went ahead and grabbed out the, open this. I'm gonna grab my filter box. Inside the box came some washers, which I will need. So I got the new washer, take off the old one, place the new one on. All right, so I'll place the new washer back on it, new one. We're gonna go ahead and reinstall the drain plug now. All right, using the same 8mm, you're gonna go ahead and reinstall the drain plug. And we're not gonna do what the last people who did this, oil changed it and tightened the fuck out of it. I mean, tighten the hell out of it. Doop. All right, so I'm gonna tighten, hand tight first. All right, so to remove the oil filter, you will need a oil filter socket like this. It just fits on a regular 1/4 socket wrench. And you're just going to put this on there, break it free, and hand screw it off. There's still gonna be some residual oil in it, so you need to be mindful of that. Let's go ahead and get it. Whew. What the hell put this thing on? God dang. Alright guys, so we're about to do a comparison of the new filter versus the old filter. So this is the old filter. It's pretty bad looking. You see the M on it, still a little oil in it, but compared to a new filter, same thing, just brand new. Let's put them both in the picture. Thing is pretty bad. I don't think I'm gonna let the oil changes go as far as BMW is saying. So BMW recommends them every 10,000. I think I'm gonna be doing 5, because that oil is pretty dark looking. So once you have taken out your oil filter from that, we're gonna go ahead and grab the cap. I'm using a little towel here, so because there's still some oil in this thing. You'll need to remove the O-ring. A pick tool works pretty well. Sitting right here, you can grab it. Now I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna grab my pick tool. Well, couldn't find my pick tool. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our tweezers. Grab the little band. This is not the preferred way of doing it, but it's what I got right now. So we're gonna work with what we got. All right, go ahead and take off the old O-ring. Thing does not want to come out of the cap. Anyways, you're gonna take your new O-ring, one of your new oils. You don't want to put old oil in it. It's still pretty lubed up as it is, as y'all can tell. Yep. All right, so it's in its groove. Now you're gonna take your new oil filter. There's a side that says cap sided, and then there's a not cap side. Cap sided goes into the cap. Of course, you're going to press down on it. Get it lined up. And you'll hear it clicking. So it's in there now, not coming out. Now we're gonna go ahead and move this old stuff out of the way. I'll throw you in the box for now. And we're gonna go ahead and reinstall our So at this point, we are just going to put in the 10 liters of oil. I can't find my oil funnel, so we're gonna do it like a real man. I'm just playing. We're gonna do it how we normally put oil in it. So we're gonna go ahead and jump over to the time lapse because everybody knows how to put oil in the car. So we're putting in the last last liter of oil, and we didn't spill any. We're doing great. It's a lot of oil though. All right, guys, so we put in all 10 liters of oil. Wipe off the top part where I'm about to put the cap back on. Remove my covers to make sure we didn't get oil anywhere we didn't want it. Put on the cap. I like the cap to face a certain way. Boom. Cap is installed. All right, now we're going to give it a quick startup. Let the oil run through. We'll have to drive the car for a minute. Let the car warm up at least. And check the levels. So let's go ahead and give it a start up. Waking the beast. Alright guys, so the final thing to do once you have finished completing your oil, check the levels and all that good stuff is to reset the oil life. So what you need to do is go ahead and put the car in diagnostics mode. You'll hit the power button 3 times. It'll beep at you. It's telling me my service is overdue. Diagnostic mode active. Alright, once you're in diagnostic mode, there's a little button right here beside the check engine light. Yes, I know I have a check engine light, guys. I just need to reflash the car. I'm still too lazy to do that. I don't really want to, I'm actually scared to reflash the car right now. You're going to hold the button, It's going to bring up this section right here. It says reset is possible. You're going to hold it again once it says that. It's going to say reset. You're going to hold it once again. And then it's going to say reset in progress. Boom. And now it is saying oil is supposed to be changed in 11,000 miles. We are definitely not doing that, BMW. I don't know what you got going on, but the oil life has been reset. And that's the video, guys. All right, guys, and that is how you change the oil on an F90 M5. If this video was helpful, definitely leave a like and a comment down below. And subscribe for more. This is D, and I'll see you guys in the next video.